Zdravo! Ja sam Monika, ja sam iz Polske, ali sada živim u Portugalu. Učim crnogorski jezik i mnogo mi se sviđa. Okay, so now let's say it in English. So, hi guys, I'm Monika, I'm from Poland, but now I live in Portugal. I learned Montenegrin and I like it very much. And now I would like to tell you a little bit about my experience learning Montenegrin. So, why is a Polish girl living in Portugal learning Montenegrin? Well, it's easy. I want to go to Montenegro and I would love to stay there a few months, maybe a year, and I would love to get to know people and their habits, their culture, and the region, obviously. It would be also nice to visit the neighboring countries like Croatia or Serbia. So this is my plan. Another reason is that I love learning new skills, and one of them obviously is learning a new language, which is always a big challenge, but a big advantage at the same time, because you can easily communicate with people and you can easily make new friends. Another reason is that actually while learning Montenegrin, you are learning 4 new languages. Because the neighboring countries like Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, they all speak more or less the same language. So it's a really big bonus. So, is it difficult to learn Montenegrin? Well, it will depend on your background. In my case, I'm Polish, my native language is Polish, so it's a Slavic language, just like Montenegrin, and obviously it helps me a lot to understand the grammar and structure of the language. On the other hand, even though both of the languages are Slavic languages, I cannot understand Montenegrin without studying it. And apart from it, I also speak Portuguese and English, so I have some experience with learning languages, and obviously it helps me a lot. Well, so it's very important to stay motivated. How do I do it? Apart from doing the regular classes and doing my homework, I try to listen to music, to listen to some podcasts and watch clips, watch movies, also some reading of the news. So in that case, my teacher is very helpful because she gets me a lot of material about this. I decided on online course because it's much more flexible, and at the time that I was looking for the course, I was in Poland and I knew I would stay there for a few months, but eventually I would come back to Portugal. So if I wanted to continue the course, this was the best option for me. Also, one-to-one lessons are much more personal approach, because you have your teacher's total focus on you, and in case of specific needs or interests, again, it's much easier. You have a chance to speak much more, and if you have any doubts, you can clear them without any problem. Well, it's easy. Vesna is a native speaker. She lives in Montenegro. So apart from being a wonderful teacher, she also gives you a lot of information about the region, about people, their habits and food. She's very professional and experienced teacher. She follows her program. but at the same time, she pays a lot of attention to the students' needs, like you have any specific interests. Uh, so you just don't drill grammar without purpose. She focuses a lot on communication, so you got a lot of practical vocabulary, and also you have a chance to speak a lot. So finally, she's just a wonderful person. She's very friendly, very warm. So in my case, it's just like having a coffee with a friend and just at the same time learning a new language. So if you are interested in learning Montenegrin, just go for it because she's the best teacher. And good luck to you. Srećno and ciao.